Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is an excellent choice for anyone entering the world of drones, whether you're a beginner, a photography enthusiast, or just someone looking for a fun way to explore the skies. Weighing only 249 grams, the Flip falls under the FAA's registration threshold, meaning you can take it to the air without going through extra paperwork. Its lightweight frame is complemented by integrated propeller guards and forward-facing obstacle sensors, helping pilots avoid accidents and fly safely. The drone is versatile in how it can be controlled. It comes with a dedicated remote controller in its standard configuration but can also be piloted through a smartphone app or onboard controls for added convenience. The camera system on the Flip is remarkably capable for a drone of its size. It captures stabilized 4K video at 60 frames per second and allows you to take still images in either 12MP or 48MP resolution, in both JPG and DNG, RAW, formats. This flexibility makes it ideal for beginners who want simple point-and-shoot functionality as well as for photographers and videographers who want creative control in post-production. The drone also includes a flat D-Log-M video profile, giving editors a neutral starting point for adjusting colors and exposure. Recreational flyers will appreciate the Flip's compact design and lightweight construction, allowing hassle-free fun without FAA registration. However, it does not support remote ID broadcasting, so it's not suitable for commercial operations. Specifications: dimensions 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 inches, weight 8.8 ounces, rotors for obstacle detection, integrated camera, 48MP, 4K video, media, internal and micro SDXC, remote options, dedicated controller with LCD or smartphone/tablet app, live feed, 1080p. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is one of the standout entry-level drones currently available, offering impressive features for both beginners and creative enthusiasts. Its camera delivers high-quality 4K video at 30 frames per second and supports an HDR look, allowing users to shoot in either vertical or landscape orientation. The camera also tilts upward 60 degrees, giving you more flexibility when capturing unique angles. For photos, the Mini 3 captures 12MP images in either JPG or RAW DNG format, and its f1.7 lens performs well even during low-light conditions like dawn or dusk. Safety and convenience are key strengths of this drone. Integrated GPS helps keep the Mini 3 stable in the air, and features like Find My Drone and Return to Home provide extra peace of mind. Weighing just 249 grams, it does not require FAA registration, although pilots must complete the online knowledge test to fly legally. The drone boasts an impressive 38-minute flight time, giving users plenty of opportunity to capture stunning aerial footage. The only notable limitation is the lack of obstacle detection, which would have added extra safety for new pilots. Who it's for? Recreational flyers, lightweight and easy to control, ideal for fun flying without FAA registration. Content creators, perfect for social media videos, switching seamlessly between vertical and widescreen footage. Licensed pilots, includes remote ID, making it suitable for professional work with an FAA UAS certificate, especially when paired with the optional 51-minute extended battery. Specifications: dimensions 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 inches, weight 8.8 ounces, rotors for obstacle detection, none, camera, 12MP, 4K video, media, micro SDXC, remote, dedicated controller with app or LCD, live feed, 1080p. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 proves that DJI isn't the only company producing high-quality drones. This compact 249G quadcopter bypasses FAA registration requirements while still offering impressive performance for both beginners and professional users. Its 4K 30 camera is stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth, steady video even during dynamic flights. The Atom 2 can capture stunning still images at 12MP or 48MP, with raw DNG support for photographers who want maximum control in post-processing. A dedicated remote is included in the package, giving pilots precise control over every flight. In testing, the Atom 2 also demonstrated a reliable 32-minute flight time, allowing for extended aerial sessions without frequent recharging. Additionally, it includes a built-in remote ID module, making it suitable for licensed pilots operating commercially. Who it's for? Beginners. The Atom 2 is excellent for first-time pilots, offering an intuitive flying experience, stabilized 4K video, and high-resolution photos. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, careful flying near trees or buildings makes it a solid choice for anyone starting in drones. Recreational flyers, weighing only 249 g, the Atom 2 can be flown as a hobby without FAA registration, making it convenient for casual use. Licensed pilots, with built-in remote ID, the Atom 2 supports commercial operations for FAA-certified SUAS operators, ideal for real estate photography, monetized content, or stock footage creation. Specifications, dimensions, 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 inches, weight, 8.8 ounces, rotors, for obstacle detection, none, camera, 48 MP, 4K video, media, microSD, remote, dedicated controller with app, live feed, 1080p. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is an ideal drone for anyone who loves capturing quick selfies and scenic landscape videos. Compact and lightweight, it features built-in propeller guards, making it safe to launch and land directly from your hand. The Neo records smooth 4K video and offers a straightforward flying experience, whether you're using the smartphone app or a dedicated remote control, which is sold separately. Its battery provides around 18 minutes of flight time per charge, enough for short flights or spontaneous filming sessions. While its video profile isn't as advanced as other DJI drones, it's more than sufficient for social media content, and its budget-friendly $199 starting price makes it an attractive choice for beginners and casual users. Who it's for? Beginners. The DJI Neo is excellent for new pilots. Its propeller guards and automated flight paths reduce the risk of crashes, and it can take off or land right from your hand. Lightweight enough to bypass FAA registration, it also offers an affordable entry point for learning to fly a drone. Selfie takers. On-drone controls allow users to capture selfies and videos quickly without connecting to an app or remote. It's perfect for anyone wanting effortless aerial shots to enhance their social media profiles. Recreational flyers, weighing under 249 grams, the Neo doesn't require FAA registration and the US pilots can fly manually via smartphone or invest in a remote for longer range control. Professional pilots should note that it lacks remote ID, making it unsuitable for commercial use. Specifications, dimensions, 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 inches, weight, 4.8 ounces, rotors, for obstacle detection, none, camera, 12 MP, 4K video, media, internal, remote, smartphone/tablet app, live feed, 1080p. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. First-person view, FPV, drones deliver an entirely different flying experience compared to traditional camera drones. By streaming an ultra-low latency live feed from the drone's camera directly into a pair of goggles, FPV drones immerse you in the cockpit, letting you navigate tight spaces and perform extreme aerial maneuvers like flips, barrel rolls, loops, and vertical plunges. These drones aren't designed primarily for scenic photography, they're about the thrill of high-speed flight and the adrenaline rush of weaving through obstacle-filled environments while capturing it all on video. Flying an FPV drone is considerably more challenging than piloting a standard drone. Without the safety of anti-collision systems, pilots must react quickly at high speeds. The DJI Avata 2, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, makes FPV flying more accessible, combining beginner-friendly controls with high-quality video capture. It records up to 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second and, although it lacks automatic obstacle avoidance, its motion-sensitive controller allows the drone to brake and hover midair, reducing the risk of crashes compared with traditional twin-stick FPV drones. The Avata 2's goggles are equally impressive, offering sharp, immersive visuals through dual micro-OLED screens. Adjustable eyepieces accommodate interpupillary distance and diopter corrections, making them comfortable even for users with vision challenges. Flying the Avata 2 feels like riding a bike with training wheels. It's forgiving and allows most maneuvers safely. However, more extreme stunts, such as steep dives, require additional skill in the optional DJI Remote Controller 3, which provides full twin-stick control for experienced pilots seeking advanced tricks and higher-risk aerial moves.